Hey everyone, this is Jyoti. You can call me Joe, and
I'm Shruti. You can call me Shruts. How are you, Joe? How's it going?
I am very good. How are you?
What are we listening and reacting to today? I'm very well. I'm feeling very happy and chill.
It is a very highly requested Ghana, and the thing is, we recently were introduced to King,
Yes,
right?
yes, yes,
And
yes.
we heard his song, which you and I both thought was more of like a more chill vibe compared to what we hear usually.
Usually,
And
huh?
the comments section went a little nuts because so many King fans. Not surprised, but I think a majority of the people were like, it's chill hop. But he does all kinds of songs, and you have gone in the wrong order. You've gone to the last song of the album.
देखो एक मिनट एक तो ये जो है ना ऑर्डर का सिलसिला one thing I would like to very clearly say, every Ghana is complete in itself. So any song that needs to be followed or pre-listened by any other song, that means that song is incomplete. It should have been released with the other song. So while I get the point that there has to be a nice sequence about things and all, but I can see Jyoti's smile going, she's schooling them.
No,
But
no, I'm saying just सुन लो श्रुति दीदी भोला दीदी की
but
डांट.
फैक्ट है कि एनी गाना इफ इट कैन नॉट बी हर्ड सिंगुलरली मतलब वो इनकम्प्लीट है ना, फिर उसको दूसरे गाने के साथ रिलीज करना था। ये क्या पार्ट
Hmm.
टू का सीन हो रहा है?
No,
एंड इफ इट इज अ सॉन्ग
hmm,
कंप्लीट बाय इटसेल्फ, it will
hmm.
have its own beauty. So let's
Yeah.
experience that beauty. And yeah, it's wonderful to know कि there is a hidden meaning इधर उधर, वो मजे आते हैं वो उसमें। बट कोई गाना इनकम्प्लीट नहीं होता, इट्स गुड।
I will defend them, and I will tell you that I think they just want us to experience it in the order that the artist wanted us to experience it, because he released these videos in a sequence with the story flowing into each other. So we get it. Uh,
I like to
nice.
mix it up.
They're
I
like
like to mix it
they're
up.
very cute. Yeah, they really want us to enjoy it. You know the way they feel
You
it
know,
needs to be
I
enjoyed.
know the beauty is they want us to enjoy it the way they enjoyed it, which I really value. I like that.
Yeah, very cute.
But I also want to enjoy it the way I enjoyed it. I am enjoying it.
We are enjoying it irrespective of the order, but
Kaho,
yes, we will
kaho.
take your suggestion and we will go now. You know,
Yes, yes.
order me. So apparently, and that's my favorite word. I think I should put it now on a t-shirt. It's
Which is what?
apparently.
Apparently.
I keep saying it without realizing, and then when I'm editing the video, I was like, why did I say it so many times? Anyway,
Uh-huh.
so apparently this video is the first one he dropped from this album, and it's explicit, but it has an interesting name. It says "She Don't Give a," and it's very pro women's rights, or something on those lines is what I've been told in the comments. So let's just get into it. Ghana number one.
I'm ready. I'm ready.
Okay. One,
Yes.
two, three, play.
Very nice.
10 times more respect for him as an artist after this song. Love it.
I feel लिखा लिखा मतलब उसने कहा है सारी लड़कियों के लिए है, लेकिन लिखा किसी एक स्पेशल के लिए है. Like feels वही थी पूरी.
Oh,
That you know when
could
you're
be.
writing, है ना, when you're writing for that one woman, but you want like yeah, but it's also meant for other women. It's meant for everyone
It
because
could be
it's not like
a little sister, baby sister. It could be anyone special.
right in the beginning he said baby and all like that. I don't think like
Oh,
little sister vibes
so
to me.
that's one thing I was gonna point out because I hate that word. I hate baby.
Why?
But certain people say it in a I don't like
Nice,
the manner,
endearing
but
way.
when he says it,
Oh,
I
हाँ,
like it.
हाँ, good.
It's said sweetly, so I
You
don't
don't
mind.
like the other baby क्या कर रही है ना? That's what you don't like.
Slap,
But like, hey
tight,
baby,
tight
hey baby.
slap. No, when he said it, it was nice. I was like, "Haan, theek hai." It's not jarring in my
Yes.
ear. But no, so of course, beautiful lyrics and very, I guess, a very important song right now in these times.
He's
I
got
have to.
he's got a very soothing voice, yeah.
Mm. Can I
Beautiful voice.
tell you like a little personal story? There's
Yes, of course.
so in my college years and my late teens, I was living in Spain, and
Mm,
I had two very memorable experiences. And it's kind of relevant to what the song is saying. That's why I'm bringing it up. My best friend and I, we used to travel a lot. So we were in Barcelona, and there's this street right in the center. It's called Las Ramblas, where a lot of artists and painters, and like, it's kind of like a flea market in the middle of the city.
mm,
So
nice.
there was this one old man who was a painter, and we were just amazed. He was a spray painter, and he was making the most beautiful things within like 5 minutes. So anyway, we were fascinated, and we were standing and just watching him. And then we started conversing with him, and it's a very given thing. You can converse very easily with strangers, in Spain at least. And we ended up talking to him for like 2 hours just about life and this. And he said to us, he was like a really old man, white hair and everything. And he said to us that, I live for moments like this, and I hope you girls, whatever you end up doing in life, you follow your heart and um, you don't listen to what people
Dunya
want
and
you to
Samaj.
do and things like that. So
Mm,
he just gave us this like very grandfatherly message and hug, and
adorable.
something that kind of really stayed with me. And then a similar thing happened. These kind of moments really stay with you, especially in your when they happen to you in your formative years. And then
Yeah.
I think it was I think it was our second year and our spring break, and we had gone to Ibiza. Now you imagine when you hear the name Ibiza, you're like, oh, party ho rahi hogi, full, but we were actually chilling. There's a very different side to
Mm,
the island that a lot of people
mm,
don't think about. So we were in this flea market, and there was a table set up. You know how they have, everyone has
mm.
stalls. So there was
Yeah.
this guy who's a white guy. He was wearing kurta pajama and this Nehru jacket sort of, and he was
Mm,
selling murtis and idols and all. And
mm.
you know how you have like a prejudiced mind, you instantly be like, okay, he's making money off of our culture or
Correct.
whatever.
Huh.
So I was just like not interested too much to spend time at his stall. But my best friend, she goes and she strikes up a conversation, and he just turned out to be this very calm yogic. Like he actually lived like he'd spent like some 10 years in India. He had a guru and an ashram where he used to disappear for 6 months a year, and the remaining 6 months he'd come out into the world and do his selling
Mm,
and his whatever business and make his living. But we ended up not exploring that flea market at all because we stood rooted to that spot for 5 hours talking to him about life
wow.
and the Vedas and
Mm,
the yoga and this and that and all these things. And he wrote in my diary at the end of that day that you go for me, he wrote that I hope you never bow down to what society wants of you, and you bloom into the flower that you are, and you grow into the woman you are meant to be. So, and I was 19, I think, and
mm.
it's always stayed with me. And I must tell you that I've been lucky because I have a very supportive family. They don't really say anything, whatever decision I decide to
Me too.
make in life.
Yeah.
And, we're lucky that way, but a lot of girls aren't. So,
Yeah.
if
Yeah.
they have someone telling them things like that at a young age, or, their artist that they look up to releasing a track like this with lyrics like this, it can really make a difference to people's lives. It can
Every
really,
small bit makes a difference because you
yeah,
never know whose life you're changing at what point and when, what impressionable age they suddenly listen to, what one will grasp onto. And while
yes,
that is true for men and women, but unfortunately, because of the whole patriarchy system, for women, it kind of gets sidelined, which
yeah,
now is changing, which
yeah.
is why it's so brilliant.
It's
Because
so
let's not
brilliant. Yeah,
focus, yeah, let's not focus on क्या गलत है, but let's give focus only to the, क्या सही है. And the more sahi we talk about, that's how everything will become sahi,
yeah,
you know. So
yeah.
let's just focus on the positive and keep growing and keep becoming better. Nice,
And that's what I
very
was
nice.
saying. Like, I'm so impressed. First of all, he's written a song like this, and it's
Yeah.
so chill. It's not like, it's not ki hame hamari mange puri karo type of
हाँ
vibe and this
हाँ.
and that, and let us live and we are frustrated. It's just chill, and it's just like, you know what? She's doing her thing. She's got her dream. She's gonna do it. She don't give a. And
हाँ.
but he's also kept it very real. Like in the middle, he went to, like, she has a brave front in the day, but at night she cries to
Right,
sleep. And
yeah, yeah.
um it's just, it is what it is. It is like that. It's not
Yeah,
easy
because
for
it's not easy, exactly.
even if
Yeah,
you're a strong woman.
yeah.
You get tired of being strong as well, right?
And
um
even if you are correct, even if you are strong, if you're surrounded by people who think differently, sooner or later, how strong can you be? So sooner or later, you begin to dip. And that time, aise gaane help. You know, the kind of painters, the artists you've met, they help. There have been so many examples in my life, such
yes,
ones, they help.
you
Because those are the
remember.
words that go through your head. And then you're like, yeah, why am I giving so much power to these people who are spreading negativity? Just can't. But provided that you have heard some people giving you that positive light, it's very
Yeah.
easy. Women, women that way, I've noticed just generically, because they've had it tough, it's very easy for women to move on and be adaptive, which is
Mm,
what's brilliant, in like separate genders. Men have their good points, women have their good points. So
yeah,
let's use our individual good points and just spread positivity more than
yeah,
anything.
yeah. And the thing with hip hop is, and from what I've noticed, is majority of the hip hop audiences, especially in India, are male. I
Yeah,
don't know of, like, at least in our comment section, I hardly ever see any
yeah,
girls, which I hope changes
maybe
over
one
time.
two. Yeah,
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 so even King, his audience is predominantly male, probably 80 90
yeah.
percent male, men listening to it. And for him to put out a song like this and drive the point home in their minds is
Correct.
so commendable and awesome. And I mean, the women will obviously
Well
love
done.
the song if they
Yeah.
hear it, but the men are obviously hearing it, and
बिकॉज नॉर्मली तो
they'll get
सिर्फ
it,
गर्लफ्रेंड्स को
hopefully.
गाली मिल रही होती है ना. नॉर्मल
Mm.
वाले जो हिप हॉप गाने होते हैं उसमें तो वही चल रहा होता है.
She
तो
left
कौन
me
सुनेगा?
and she broke my heart and she's so
हाँ,
patthar dil and all
हाँ.
that.
अभी अभी when women rappers will come out and start talking about ना कि लड़के कितना दिल तोड़ते हैं, तब पता लगेगा. हाँ, तो सारी त्रास सिर्फ लड़कियों को मिल रही है.
We gotta get
But
to
yes,
those songs. But I
yes,
mean, this is
yeah, no,
just,
but lovely, beautiful.
I know. I pulled up the lyrics,
King,
but I
very
think they
nice.
were quite self-explanatory. We
Perfect.
don't, yeah, we
And
just,
very nice music also. Very, very, yeah, very fresh, very nice. Loved it. Thank you for this
just a
suggestion.
good
Good.
vibe and full respect. I'm liking King. I'm really, I can see why the King's Clan, I think that's what the
That's what
fandom
they
is
called.
called.
Ah,
I can see why
King's
they're so.
Clan. I
Because
like it.
after, I'm telling you, after the first "Tu Aake Dekh Le" reaction, my DMs are flooded with messages saying, "Listen to this one. He's this. He's amazing. He's so different. He does this also, and he does this also. And
Cute.
yes, you pointed it out right. He dances also, and I was like, okay." बहुत ही
Very
तगड़ा
nice.
audience है इसका, like
Ah,
it's nice.
ah,
I can see
ah.
why. Very nice. King, love this song. Thank you for starting your album with this one. And now we want to get to your other
The
songs
next one.
in the
Go
right
by
order.
by the correct order. Yes, we should go in that. Bas khush.
Thank you from all of womankind, and we'll see you in the next one.
Bye.
Bye.